This is one of my favorite things to do. It's just to get the car clean, go to the car wash. Sometimes people are like, why do you have all them things touching your car? Because look, there's a bunch of dirt and grime and all kinds of stuff that be on those roads. And you want to make sure you maintain your car, especially if you're thinking about sharing your car with other people. That's something that I highly recommend that you do, that you get one of those car wash packages. Some of them are pretty good. You can pay like $45 for unlimited car washes per month, and that takes care of the cleaning of the interiors and the exterior. And also they give you air fresheners that you can utilize to make sure your car is smelling, looking, and ready for a guest to utilize. What do you guys think? Do you think car washes are overhyped, or do you think that's something that's essential in this day and age for car service? I'd like to know what you think. Leave a comment below.